Hello my friends, welcome to another tutorial of my channel. In this video we want to make this beautiful and very nice pattern. This is the front view of that and this is the back view of that. I made that with Guksim Juliet yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can make it with any yarn you want and use that for any project. If you're ready, let's get started. Start my work with a slip knot and then chain in a multiple of 10 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and repeat groups of 10 chains, and at the end when you reach the desired width for your pattern, add 5 chains. I made 25 chains and now start first row from 5th chain, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain and go to 5th chain and make 1 double crochet here. These 4 chains counts as first double crochet and then chain 1 space, and this is the second double crochet into this chain. After that, skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go to 5th chain here and make 3 double crochet into this chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then make 2 chains and make 3 double crochets into same chain, 1, 2 and 3. Again, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go to 5th chain and make 1 double crochet into that. Then make 2 chains and after that make another double crochet into same chain. We have to repeat this sequence. Skip 4 chain and make 3 double, 2 chain and 3 double into 5th chain. Again, skip 4 chain and make 1 double, 2 chain and 1 double into 5th chain. And continue this work. Skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 and make 3 double crochet here into 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, then make 2 chain and again 3 double crochet into same chain, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm at the end, but you must repeat this sequence several times until the end of your first row. And now I'm at the end. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and go to last chain and make 1 double and 1 chain and then another double crochet into last chain. Okay, now row 1 is finished. I want to start row 2. Make 4 chains as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Turn the work and make 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3. Then go to this chain 2 space between these 3 double and 3 double here and make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. And at the beginning and at the end of each row we have chain 1 space, but at the middle of the row we have chain 2 spaces. Go to next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet here, 1, 2 and 3. Then make 2 chain and again 3 double into same chain space, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat this work. Into next chain space make 1 double, 2 chain, 1 double, and into next chain space make 3 double, 2 chain and 3 double. until the end of the row. I repeat this work one more time. Make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, and 1 double crochet into next chain 2 space. And now I'm at the end of the row. Make 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space after this double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 1 chain and then make 1 double crochet into third chain. 1, 2, and 3 here. We have 4 chain at the beginning of each row. Make 1 double crochet into third chain of that, and row 2 is finished. Make 4 chains, turn the work, and these 4 chain count as first double crochet and chain 1 space. Then make 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space. Now go to next chain 2 space between these double crochet and this double crochet, and here make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 chain and again 3 double crochet into same chain 2 space. 1, 2, and 3. Go to next space between these 3 double and 3 double, and here make 1 double, 2 chain, and 1 double. And repeat this work. Go to next chain 2 space between these 2 doubles and make 3 double here. 1, 2, 3. Then make 2 chain and again 3 double into same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. And repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end. Make 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space after these 3 double crochets. Then make a chain and make 1 double crochet into third chain of these beginning 4 chains, and row 3 is finished. Then we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3. In each repeat of row 2, we have 1 double, 1 chain, and 3 double at the beginning, and 3 double, 1 chain, and 1 double at the end. And in each repeat of row 3, we have 1 double, 1 chain, 1 double at the beginning, and 1 double, 1 chain, 1 double at the end of the row. And in each row, we have to make 3 double, 2 chain, and 3 double into each chain 2 space between 2 doubles, and make 1 double, 2 chain, 1 double into each chain 2 space between 3 double before chain 2 space and 3 double after that. Okay, and continue this work and repeat these 2 rows until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows and you can see the pattern completely, the front view and the back view of that. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.